Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update Standalone installer error 0x80096002 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is simple. Check the internet speed. Open Microsoft Edge, go to fast.com and check the internet speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script. I've shared it in the description section of the video, okay? And search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. So I'll tell you what it does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.